I will demonstrate how to properly install your HD Video Doorbell by SECUR360. I will guide you through all the necessary steps to make sure that your install is a success. Let's get started. Once we complete the unboxing, we're going to find some marketing material, a quick start guide, a hardware pack, the power module, and the doorbell. Something to note is that the backplate already comes pre-installed on the doorbell and is secured via this screw. Before we start our installation, we're going to remove the backplate from the unit. The first thing that we're going to need to do is turn on the doorbell. Locate the rubber cover that is on the back of the unit and remove it. Now find the on and off switch and slide it into the on position. Something to note is that this product comes with optional internal storage. You can utilize this feature by purchasing a micro SD card that looks like this and inserting it into the slot. Once you insert the card, you will hear a click. This is indicating that the card is secure in the slot. Now we need to place the rubber cover back into its location. Okay, we're good to go. Let's go to the next step. The next step in the installation process is to install the power module onto our chime base. Before we can do this, we need to turn off the power going to the chime base so that we can install the power module safely. First, we will connect the wires coming from the transformer and the front doorbell to the orange quick connects. Then we're going to connect the white and black wire coming from the power pack to the same quick connects. And finally, we're going to connect the white wire coming from the power module to the screw terminal labeled transformer, and the black wire coming from the power module to the screw terminal labeled front. Assuming that you've already removed your old doorbell, the next step in the installation process is to install the backplate where your old doorbell used to sit. Okay, since I've already removed my old doorbell, I'm going to go ahead and install the backplate of the new doorbell onto my door. As you can see, I already have plenty of holes. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to fish these wires that are coming from my transformer. So I have a mechanical chime, FYI. I'm going to fish them through here, and then I'm going to kind of, I don't want to create too many holes, so I'm going to reuse some of these holes. I'm going to connect the two wires to the terminals. When attaching the wires to the backplate, please note that it does not matter which wire goes to which screw. So now we're going to put the top in first and then press it in. You're going to take the little screw that you took out initially and screw it in to the bottom.